Good day and welcome to my channel. My name is Palisa and today I will be teaching myself how to cook chicken pasta. And by the way, this recipe I got it from Pinterest.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold.
I'm so
no
glad I
matter-
tried this recipe. I'm so proud of myself. Clearly, eating good food to me is one of life's greatest joy. I will be embarking on a journey to try and learn how to cook nice food. Please do not forget to comment, subscribe.